pop it.
Can I pop it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Listen to me talk like a runaway train.
Any noise?
This is the person I became.
It's a wonderful day here in Pittsburgh, the south side of Pittsburgh at Commonwealth Press Warehouse. It's April 7th, 2013 at approximately 6 o'clock. That's where we are having some fun with some bubble wrap, some noise, and some punk bands, some art, some photography, and you know what? We're just having some good old-fashioned fun.
Mike Egan over there. Everyone who works at Wall straw for beer, which I hear is very good. Keep your student with you.
Hey, hands on the... Super high quality. Woo!